Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have a dish from Mashhad. Mashhad is northeast of Iran and is a home of Imam Reza shrine, holy shrine. So I try to just make as much as I can the dishes from different cities in Iran, and today I decided to make this Kuku Shirin Mashadi, which is potato cuckoo with the saffron glaze syrup, because it is unique and also at the same time I love it personally very much. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, for making this dish we need 900 grams that I have potato, it's about 2 pounds, and we need actually 2 eggs, but unfortunately these are so small that I have to use 3 of those. For that I need also 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon of starch, which if you have it, potato starch, otherwise use like me, this is a corn starch, 1.5 teaspoon sea salt. These are needed some oil to cook. We need for a syrup, I do have 100 grams of sugar, half a cup of water, and it's about 2 tablespoons of rose water, which I put about 1/8 of teaspoon saffron on it for our glaze or syrup. So starting by cooking our potato. So let's cook this and then we'll let it cool and peel it off. We go from there. Let's do it. So I put it here and it's boiling. It's been about 15 minutes. 5 more minutes, it's gonna be done. I already make a line by cutting it around the middle of the potato, so it's so much easier when you wanna peel it off. So we wait for 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, we make our syrup. Making our syrup, take a small pan. We put all my 100 grams of sugar in there and half a cup water. And also I put my saffron and rose water there too. Here we go. And this is it. Let's go and put it on a heat and make our syrup. All right, it seems they are done because very easily it goes inside the fork. So it's done. Turn off the heat. I'm going to drain the water and I wait till it gets cooled down. Then peel this and we go from there. Okay, our syrup has been boiling and is done. We just turn off the heat and put it aside till it gets cold and we are done with it. Let's go start peeling our potato and mash it or grind it. All right, while I'm peeling this potato, let me tell you a little bit of the Mashhad. Mashhad is a holy city, as I said, because of the holy shrine of Imam Reza there. And it does have a unique food itself, and one of the most famous shishlik, which comes from there, and it's a little area in Mashhad, is Shandiz, and that's very famous for. Right now, it's one of the best shishlik you can find in Iran, and this special restaurant is all over in Iran also. Personally, I love Mashhad. The reason is because, first of all, one of my uncle, we called it Amu Mashhadi, uncle from Mashhad. He was Mashhadi when he was young. He just went from Tehran to Mashhad and got a job, married there, had children, and we or visiting them once in a while. And the time that we have to go, it was with the train, and it was my brother, my sister, was our dream travel. It was with the train, and it was talking about like 18 hours. We had to sleep in a train. That was one of the best memory in my childhood. And also it does have the best fruit that you can find anywhere. And it has its own melon. It's a kharbouze Mashadi, and also all of the fruits are better than anywhere in the world. So that's about a Mashhad. Still is a little bit hot. After I peel it, I will wait till it gets cold completely. Then I'm gonna grind it. All right, we have to wait till it totally gets cold because it still is a little bit warm, and I don't want to grind it right now. So we wait another maybe 10 minutes or so. I see you then. All right, it's been cooled down already, so I'm going to grind it with a big hole. Unfortunately, I haven't had to put a long video recently, and if you guys wondering, it's because I'm just was involved my garden most of the time, and also it seems that social media loves the short, so I did have lots of short, and you probably noticed that. But still, I love to do long, and I promise you I make more. It seems I have a visitor here. Hello, baby. Almost done. All right, let's add all the ingredients together, mix them very well. This was a baking powder. This is our starch and our sea salt. Okay, and here goes our eggs. I'm going to put 2 first, then I see if I need to add another one. I think I need the 3rd one also. Seems like it. Yes, because it's, as I said, it's very, very small. I don't know why it was a little bit shortage on the eggs in the last couple months. I guess maybe that's why. All right. For the salt also, you can taste after you mix them together to see if you need a little bit more salt, that it might possibly we need some. All right, let's go put it in a sautéing pan and cook our cuckoo. All right, we put our oil, cooking oil. I used the grape seed. You can use whatever cooking oil that you like. Okay, put the whole thing all together. So I'm just going to make it even. So one big piece. All right, but if you like, you can make it, just an individual round cuckoo if you wish to. Since it's been cooked already, so that's going to be a nice size when you're cutting it. Okay, I think it's good enough. It's looking nice and even. Going to put this to distribute even heat on this one, and then I put the lid, come back in 15 more minutes. All right, it looks that it's been cooked enough, that side. If you look at the edges, you know, you see that. And let's try to flip it. So it goes back in the other side for another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, our cuckoo Shirin and Mashadi is ready. So before I put the syrup on it, I want to just give you a couple tips that I experienced on this one. The pan shouldn't be a little bit bigger, which I had one, but it was occupied with something else. Second, if you want it to be easier on you, instead of 2 pounds, make it 1.5 pound of potato. The rest is perfect. Let's do that. It looks good, and the smell, oh my God, it's wonderful. Just cut it like a cake or a pizza. Nushajan. It is as good as cake. That's wonderful. And if you're the first time looking my video, I have so many of different Persian dish. I really appreciate if you like, subscribe, and share. And those people that follow me, I appreciate so much. And I love you all. Till next time with another dish. Bye.